Hi everyone, bringing you some more from the Twitchit Craft Kits Deep Blue Sea. I cannot wait to show you all the projects that I've done. So recently I was away on a half work, half holiday sort of trip, and I had a couple of days spare downtime in between events. Now I was there, it was just me without the kids, and it's a town that I've been to a few times, so I decided to stay bunkered in the hotel for most of the 2 days that I had spare, and I just went craft crazy. So I took down the Twitchit Craft Kits Deep Blue Sea and just had so much fun. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards and 4 layouts made. So please keep an eye out for all of those. But this video is just to show you these 3. So this one here is called a bridge card, and it's very, very simple. It may look a little bit like, well, that's a bit tricky, but it's actually really not. It's crazy, crazy easy. I started with a 5. Here's the 5 by 8.5 piece of cardstock. So that is 5 by 8.5. And I just sort of went with some really basic sort of measurements because I didn't want it to open. So sometimes bridge cards can be, you know, a little bent like that. I wanted it to be inwards because I really, being a nautical theme, you know how there's a lot of edges and curves and things like that. I really wanted it to be a little bit different. So I wanted 1 3/4 by 3/4, 3.5, because I wanted to fit that journal tag in there, 3/4 and 1 3/4. So that means that with my 5 and 8.5 piece, I scored at 1 3/4, 2.5, 6, 6 3/4, and then left it. And that was it. That's all the scores you need to do. You do need to grab an extra piece of cardstock as well, just to fit over the top of the front here. And really it only needs to be about 4 inches or so, because so we said in the middle here is 3.5. It only really needs to be about 4 inches or 4 1/4 inches just to fit from side to side to keep it all nice and straight. Now I used the Bow Bunny papers for this. It is Celebrating Freedom pinwheels. Now it is the B side. Obviously the A side has all the pinwheels. The B side has these really cute, fun blue stripes. I thought it was so easy to use, this paper. And then the rest is all, well, other than the 4x3 cards, that comes from a 12 by 12 piece that is full of 3x4s. The stickers are all off the sticker sheet. So that was where the lighthouse, the whale, and the paddles or the oars you'll find in these other cards as well. So there's an octopus, the little words down here, and that one was like a boat, which was over here, and then the boy thingies, boat boys, whatever they are. So that was the first one. So that's a bridge fold. The next one was Nice and Simple acetate front card. I used the washi tape that actually came with the collection as well. I did not use any extra paper on this. I just used straight plain up cardstock. And it is from the Cartabella Deep Blue Sea, and it is the nautical. So because it's, you know, A side and B side, it was nice and easy just to fold that in half and add some acetate. So the acetate's the only thing I added to that card. And then this one is just a really nice and easy card. I think I made it because I had this off cut from another card, I think. And I just threw some things on there. So there's that sticker, more stickers, a tag from the embellishment or the inferior frames and tags that you get with the kit. And yeah, nice and simple. I just threw all that on there. That is how easy and simple some of these cards can be, but super, super effective and nice and easy folds.